Let's see the new whiteboard of BigBlueButton. Here you can write and draw collaboratively with the other participants. Here we show you the new features. Here you can enable the multi-user whiteboard. Here there is another important newly added feature is you can export the whiteboard at any current time. Just click the thread, then choose snapshot of current slide, then the current slide will be downloaded to your computer. Done! Now, let us take a look. Another newly added feature is you can put a sticker into the whiteboard. It's easy to do it, just click the button sticky on the toolbar. Then you can put the sticker on the whiteboard, you can write something there, and you can move around. Which is super great for the class teaching when you need those tools. I think those are the most newly added features for Whiteboard. Hope you can enjoy. If you want to test it, can try with our free trial link at the comment area. Thanks. There's another fantastic new feature, customization. Now you can choose if you want to use the dark mode or not. To do so, simply click on the three dots located in the upper right corner, select settings and turn the dark mode option on or off. Finally, click on save. In addition, you will have the option to customize your webcam when you activate it. To do this, click on the camera icon and you can adjust the brightness of your video and choose a background. Additionally, you will be able to pin the webcam of a particular participant. Just click on its name and select pin. Also, now at the time of writing you can easily add emojis. For example, if you right-click on the chat, you can add the emoji you want. And that's it. Thanks! Let's discover the new functionality of layout management. Presenters now have the ability to control which area of the screen they should focus on. They can choose the display layout for all users according to their preferences. This feature is especially useful for presenters. The process is very simple, just click on the plus symbol and select Layout Settings Modal. Next, choose the screen layout you prefer. Once selected, click Confirm. Thanks! Miniparrot cares about making meetings more accessible for everyone. That's why it has incorporated the function of automatic subtitles available in English, Spanish, and Portuguese. To activate this feature, simply click on the gear symbol. Then select Write Closed Captions. Then choose your preferred subtitle language and click Start. Now you will be able to view the subtitles in the meeting, which will make it easier for the participants to understand. Thank you.